Hi, I'm Melissa, the editor of Beauty Answers.
Hi, I'm Aya and I'm an MUA for Beauty Answers.
Hi, I'm Hayley and I'm a content creator here at Beauty Answers.
Today we're here to talk about how often you should be changing your mascara.
Even as an MUA, I'm not gonna lie, I am one of those people who hoards mascaras.
Honestly, exactly the same. I definitely keep them longer than they should be in my
100%.
drawers.
Yeah, I don't tend to use mine, which means it's been there for a while.
I think the best thing to do is to have one mascara going at one time, then you're not using it, having lots of different ones going off at the same time.
Yeah, I think I'm definitely guilty of that.
So do we know how long mascaras actually last before they start going off?
I don't think I've ever looked. I know it has a thing on it, but I haven't got a clue.
I'm gonna guess 12 months?
12 months. So actually it's 3 to 6 months.
Okay.
3 months for waterproof mascaras and 6 months you can kind of get away with for normal mascaras.
I need to have a clear out, I think.
Yeah, I think that's exactly what I need to do as well.
So do you know what the signs of expired mascara are?
I'd imagine it dries up somewhat. You
True,
know.
that is very true. They do dry up, yeah.
Yeah, I feel like when mine get a little bit clumpy, I'm kind of more like, okay, yeah.
And I definitely use it when it's clumpy and it's not doing well for my lashes and it's not looking very good. And instead of chucking it away, I'm still there whacking it on the lashes.
Like you said, we're all kind of guilty of putting on a bit of dry, clumpy mascara, and obviously it affects the application, but is there a real reason why I shouldn't be using it?
Yes, obviously it's irritating putting on your mascara when it's clumpy and it's not going to go on very well, but actually the main reason is the hygiene and the bacterial growth that comes in that mascara tube when you've been using it past its sell-by date. So especially if you've got irritations in your eyes or anything like blepharitis, that's going to put more bacteria into the mascara wand, which then is going to give you more eye irritation.
So are there any top tips of making your mascara last a bit longer, get more bang for your buck? Because they're not always the cheapest, are they?
No, definitely. So one of the main things that people do is when they open their mascara, they pump it. And this is going to get all the air in there, it's going to get all of the kind of bacterial growth. So avoid doing that, introducing any air into the tube, because that'll lead to drying out and also obviously the bacterial growth. Also secure the cap really tightly. When you close it, that's going to make sure that no air is going in there. It's not going to get all clumpy when you put it on your eyelashes, and avoid sharing your mascara. You shouldn't be using your mascara with anybody else. It should just be going on your eyes.
So earlier you kind of said that waterproof mascara just doesn't last as long.
Yeah, no it doesn't, and I love a waterproof mascara. I think it lasts on your lashes so much longer. It doesn't give any smudges, but it doesn't last quite as long, and this is just down to their more intense formula.
So what mascaras are you girls using at the moment then?
So these are actually two of my favourites, and they're drugstore ones. So this is the new Maybelline Surreal Falsies mascara. I actually really like this one. It just makes my lashes look amazing.
And it's been all over social, hasn't it?
It has,
So
and I am a sucker. I always, if I see anything on social, I buy it
yeah.
just to try it, and actually it's really good, so I would recommend. And then another one which is actually a waterproof mascara, it's the Sky High. Always get it in the waterproof formula. Doesn't last as long, but I do wear it every day, so I do tend to use it up for the 3 months.
So I use a lot of Maybelline, so Sensational, and also NYX, but we haven't got that here today, just the long volume ones.
So girls, what have you learnt about mascara and how often you should be changing it?
Never pump it. Shake it, but don't pump it.
Never pump it.
Well, I should definitely need to throw out a lot of my mascaras.
Same.
Because 3 to 6 months is really all I should be using them for.
Thanks very much and see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.